SPRU, the Science Policy Research Unit, is based in the School of Business, Management and Economics at the University of Sussex in the UK. It is internationally recognized as a leading center of research on science, technology and innovation policy. And it's the largest academic body in the world studying this area. We are focused on pushing the frontiers of knowledge, developing research impact and training the next generation. We are driven by a desire to tackle real-world issues and questions, whilst also contributing to a deeper theoretical understanding of how innovation is shaping today's world. As global citizens, we face a series of crises and persistent problems. The modern way of providing for our basic needs is ultimately unsustainable and is already causing inequality, conflict and climate change on an unprecedented scale. Our aim is to deliver new fundamental knowledge on the nature and governance of science, technology and innovation. We work across a broad range of sectors and have major research projects in energy, sustainability, climate change mitigation and adaptation and transformative innovation policy. Across all our research, we work with policymakers, businesses and civil society, offering practical ideas and solutions to ensure that innovation and change deliver positive outcomes. Our high-quality research-led postgraduate courses and PhD supervision provide aspiring professionals with the knowledge and skills to analyze and guide policy and manage scientific change and technological innovation. If you have a thirst for knowledge and are interested in tackling some of today's pressing challenges, our courses and research will help you to shape the future.